Hey, what's going on, working class hustlers? This is going to be a short and fun video. We're going to get right into what I promised. We're going to look at what was the best day, one day. What is the most I've ever sold in one day on Amazon? So this is going to be pretty neat. I'm going to share my screen right now. And we're going to look at January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. As of right now, today is July the 18th. The year is 2025. So let me go ahead and share my screen and let's get right into it. And what you can see is we're looking in the reports inside of my Amazon account. You can see we're looking from January the 1st, 2025 to January 31st. And my best one day for that month was 41 units sold. And the dollar amount was $1,117.58. Let's see if I can find that. Looking at the graph, there it is. And remember, this is gross, guys. This is not what I take home. And now we move on to February. We're looking at February 1st through February the 28th. My best day that month was 53 units sold for $1,447.36. Let's see if we can find that right here. Now we move on to March. Here we are, March 1st through March 31st. Our best day in March was 71 units sold for $1,680.51. If I could find it, literally it was on the 2nd of March. We had one that was close. Look at the total amount we sold. In January, we sold 22,000. In February, we jumped up to 26,000. In March, we jumped up to 34,000. And then in April, we jumped up to 38,000. Here's your report from the 1st of April until the 30th of April. And our best day was 87 units sold for $1,975.51. Oh, we were so close to 2,000, but no cigar. That was our best day. And then remember, total for the month of April was 38,000. And then in May, we jumped up to 43. Incidentally, I had never, until this year, I had never done 30,000 in a month. And we broke that and then some, going all the way up to 43,000. Our best day for May was 96 units sold for, yes, we did it, $2,056.63. And that took us up until the 27th to make that. Just in comparison to the previous year, I think in the previous year, our worst day was 9 units for $292.98. Think about this. Let's get rid of this year and just look at what was going on last year. Our best day was 41 units, $1,188.44. And the reason I'm showing you this is I want you to think and imagine, what is it that made me stay in this? Because we never could have got here without first being here. And the point I'm making is, guys, you just got to stick with it. You've got to keep going. Whatever's going on today, it is a law. It will get better. Do not be discouraged, because watch what happens. Here we are at 43.6 in May. And then what happened in June? We dropped down. Look at, from 43.6 down to 36. But I don't give up. I don't dismay, because I have the experience. Your experience is what's going to really carry you guys. Here we are looking at the month of June from the 1st until the 31st. And our best day was 93 units sold, $1,904.25. Let's look at the previous year. Let's see if we can we're just sort of looking at 15,000. And by staying in this until the next year, we more than doubled. That's what's so important, guys. You gotta remember, because we keep going and then watch what happens. We go to the month of July and we're not finished, right? We're at 25,006 sold and we're only at the halfway mark. Potentially, hustlers, we could actually get to $50,000. Oh my God. Stay tuned. That would be amazing. But here's my point. 1st to the 18th, because that is today, our best day was 128 units for a total of $2,827.50. And that's in one day. That's one platform. Okay. Hustlers, please be encouraged. I hope you got something out of this. I apologize. We're not getting out videos as much as I would like. And, I probably shouldn't apologize, but I love you. And that's why I will. The main thing is I'm busy. My business model is to make money doing what I teach. I don't make money teaching what I do. That literally costs me time, money, energy. And I give it to you because I love you, but I could never make it to these numbers if my business model was trying to sell you things and I was more concerned with, ad revenues and things of that nature. I only know how to make money doing this, so I got to do it. Remember, I work a regular job like many of you, and I encourage you to do that. Don't let anyone talk you out of any bags that you're getting to. Get to all of them if you can get to them. All right, guys. Now, we'll see how you guys like this video. Remember, we're starting to dabble a little bit into investments. So if you happen to see a poll on the channel, please take it for me and let me know if you guys are interested in starting to get into investments. Stay tuned, because in the next video, I explain why I would even consider bringing content to this channel that deals with investing. It's critical, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Love you.